Gigi Hadid is officially welcoming the fall season, and she's doing it with her and Zayn Malik's adorable 5-year-old daughter, Khai. The supermodel shared a warm November 3rd Instagram carousel, filled with precious moments of her and Khai enjoying cozy autumn adventures in Pennsylvania. From horseback rides to a sweet visit to the Hershey's chocolate factory, and even some downtime playing with their dog, little Khai looked full of joy, rocking her cute pink rain boots. The photos also gave fans a glimpse into Khai's social side, hugging a friend, chatting with Grandma Yolanda Hadid by her pickup truck, as Gigi captioned the post simply, "And then it was fall. Time flies." Since their split in 2021, Gigi and Zayn have remained fully committed to co-parenting. Back in September, when a fan commented under Gigi's birthday post for Khai saying, "I wish her dad would also be there," Gigi quickly set the record straight, replying, "She was with us both on her birthday." And in a 2023 interview with the Sunday Times, Gigi opened up about how important it is for Khai to spend quality time with both parents. She said, "Knowing that she can be with both of us makes me very happy." A truly heartwarming chapter in Gigi and Zayn's journey, proving that even after love ends, family still comes first.